Say hello to KUBO. KUBO is an educational robot providing everything you need to get to grips with coding and computational thinking, designed specifically for kids aged 4 to 10 plus. Students are taught how to code through KUBO's unique tactile programming language with low complexity and easy adaptation for students and teachers. KUBO is the only puzzle-like coding concept in the world, literally making coding as simple as snapping together the pieces of a puzzle in order to create a sequence of code. Have KUBO memorize a sequence of code by placing it on top of the tag tiles. The KUBO solution caters for all abilities and elementary age groups, regardless of their starting point. The KUBO Coding Starter Set introduces the basic coding concepts: roots, functions, loops, and subroutines. Just like written code, open your function by placing a function tile at the beginning of your code. Put down your sequence of commands and end your function with a function tag tile. Watch KUBO execute the code by placing it on the play tag tile. KUBO has a range of light and sound feedback. For example, if KUBO detects an error, it will let you know where to debug your code. KUBO is the ideal hands-on coding solution to enhance creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, and communication. KUBO is based on storytelling, which makes it easy for children to create new universes and for teachers to make cross-curricular exercises. On our website, you will find free Getting Started material and global standardized lesson plans, making sure that KUBO can be fully embedded across the curriculum for K-5. To ensure an extended coding progression, try out our add-on packs, KUBO Coding Plus and KUBO Coding Plus Plus, taking students from simple to advanced coding in just a few steps. Visit kubo.education for more information about the KUBO coding solution.